All right, guys, welcome back to the shack. And tonight I wanted to drop in real quick and just make a little short video. As you know, lately I have done quite a few mirror engraved videos, as well as made quite a few different frames for the 12-inch and the 10-inch mirrors. Well, some of you reached out to me and felt a little left out because I didn't make a file for 8s. So I went back and I have retooled the design, downsized it, and made a mirror frame for the 8-inch mirrors. And don't want to leave anybody out, so I just want to drop a little quick video. I'm not going to do a full-blown video on it, but guys, I'll put links to the other videos that I've done down below. The process is absolutely the same, but if you want to see more about the 8-inch file, if you're not familiar with my files, then stick around for a minute and I'll walk through it real quick and show you what it looks like. All right, guys, so the file is no different really than the 12-inch or the 10-inch frame. The only difference is I had to change some dimensions, downsize it. This kind of scaled everything down. But this is the bottom two pieces after they've been glued together, and it allows a recess for the mirror to sit in there, same as the other file. And then you have the top that goes over the top of it, and the top does overlap, and that way it keeps the mirror from coming out of here. I do use adhesive pads here, the little double-sided foam tape, to kind of hold the mirror in place, give it a little bit of cushion, and keep it from falling out while you're working on it. But I'm not going to bore you with all of the, how you put it together and all that. I'll just link those down below, guys. If you don't know, you haven't seen the videos, go check out the links. I'll put links to how you put this together. And even it shows even how to put the lights in the back of it, like that one up there. And also I've got videos of how to do multi-layer engraving on these mirrors. And that's another thing that if you're interested in the mirrors, then that's something you might want to go watch, because you can actually, like that mirror up there, I don't know if you can tell it with it flashing, but let me turn the lights off to it. Okay, that's actually a black and white mirror. Now, I did just enough paint to where the lights can still show through it, but whether it's flashing or whether it's not, it's still just a mirror. It looks good either way. And that was something that I had never really seen done before, was doing color and allowing backlights. And the design that I've made does allow you to put those lights in there. It's the same file, just smaller. This is 8-inch, that's a 12. But one thing that I did include in there that some of you guys may be thankful for, and I almost didn't think about it, but if you're doing these on your S1 and you have my S1 jig system that I recently made for the S1, I have also included with the frame an adapter. And what this is basically two pieces that you glue together, and it creates this adapter that you can take, before with the 10-inch mirrors, you could set those directly into the panel. It's the same size as this little piece of wood here. But with the 8-inch, it wasn't gonna afford you the opportunity. So I've made a little adapter. I included it with the frame. So if you buy the frame, you're gonna get the S1 jig mirror adapter for the 8-inch mirrors with it. And where that comes in handy, guys, is you can just drop that in there and you have nothing below your work area, unless you get really, really close to the edge. That's going to cause backflash onto the mirrors and give you that ghosting or that shadowing on the other side. So that's just a little bonus that I threw in there. I didn't want to sell it separate. I figured if you got if you get this and you have this, but you don't have the S1 jig, you can go pick that up. But if you already have the S1 jig kit, this just is kind of a no-brainer to be able to have this to go with it. You just drop that in there where your normal jigs would go, and voila, 8-inch mirror. Perfect location every time. And guys, if you're going to do multi-layered like with this, where you have to burn, paint, and burn again, and then paint again, you have to have it in the same spot every single time to make it look right. So that's what this is for. It offers you the opportunity to just drop it in there and not have to spend a whole lot of time framing it up. So if that's something you're interested in, go check out the Etsy shop. I'm going to put links for that down below, as well as the other videos of the mirrors, the assembly of the frame, and the multi-layered burns. I'll include those. I just really didn't want to redo the whole video, guys. I mean, it's kind of like beating a dead horse here. I don't want to just keep pushing out the same content. So check those links out below, and if It is 12/23 today, so it's 2 days before Christmas. And if I don't talk to you before Christmas, then Merry Christmas to you and yours. And be safe. Have a good day.